sparkling day, children. Today we are going to see a poem. Treasure Trove. What is treasure? Treasure is something valuable such as money, jewels, gold or silver that is kept in a safe place. In ancient times, treasures are usually hidden inside the earth. In this poem, the author says the real treasure is your knowledge. Where did you get this treasure? Only through the books we learn. Let us read the poem. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Learn about space, land on Mars. Picture an auto race, zoom with cars. Read books when you are happy so that your happiness doubles. The things which you learnt happily will last for a long period of time. Read books when you are sad. It will make you feel better and gives you fresh thoughts. Everyone cannot travel to space, but your books makes you travel much faster to space than a rocket. You can gain lots of information about space in your books. In space, you can go to different planets which you like and learn about it. Here, the author lands on Mars. It is a red planet and occupies 4th position from the Sun. Your imagination power gets high when you read books. You can visualize everything that you read. You can imagine an auto race. You can even imagine like moving faster in a car. Let us continue the poem. A glance at history, go back in time to discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about the lost bicycle. Where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. The books are the written source of our past history, where we come across many leaders who ruled efficiently during those days. We can know about the lifestyle of ancient peoples through our books. So, the books are the valuable ones to gain lots of information. Mystery is something that is difficult or impossible to understand or explain. For example, some movies are difficult to understand and it is too difficult to explain the characters and the theme of the movie. Crime is an illegal activity that is punishable. Here, you can take an unsolved problem and find solutions for it so that the crime or the problem gets solved. Here, the last bicycle indicates the last things. So, we might have kept some things in some place and forgot it over a period of time. We will be having lots of questions like where, when, what and how did we lose that thing. Then finally, we will find it. When we read about oceans, sea in fairy tales, we come across a lovely creature called mermaid. It looks like a human and has a fish tail. If you wish to visit a mermaid, read lovely fairy tales so that you can go to their place and visit them. So children, try to read books so that it enrich your knowledge. You can get new ideas when you go through lots of books. Hope you have understood the poem, children. Thank you.